should we start off the morning vlog? Another day. It's a little sunnier today. Heading to the coast side, putting on an extra layer because last time it was freezing. But yeah, gonna go around the fun section, so no complaints here. And then today we pick up Mike, who's riding with me. So Mike Kim's back in the house. What? Expect a sick edit there, Ben. No. I want like a sick montage of Mike.
Dude, I think that was hype enough right there.
But, oh, what was it? Yeah, but you know the deal. Today we got meatballs for lunch, so something to look forward to. But let's get it.
Yeah. Meatballs.
The good valving in them, throw those in, and then I limited the rear travel a little bit. That should help with axle life, and it helps the car work a little better too.
Sweet. Dude, who bought cream pies?
Oh, dude, I freaking love those things.
Me too.
Hector goes crazy. Yeah, dude, Mike's here. You're out, Ben.
I'm out.
Get the man, the myth, the Mike.
And he brought shocks, dude. That's cool.
Imagine that. The shock guy brings shocks. That'll work for now.
Good. Yeah. Same. Chattery.
Just finding line?
No. Really nothing to be found in there, to be honest.
Yeah.
We'll see. If someone wants to get really creative and like a luxury pre-runner and run over a bunch of cactuses, but I ain't doing it, so. People in luxury pre-runners, please do it. I'd love it. Nick Millins, Ben, you know who you are.
I'll beat up and give a shout out. Maybe they'll just give us one.
No, dude, I'm gonna hit them up. Let's see. Add front windshield. Oh, wiper kit. Oh man, that is expensive.
Wiper kit is?
Oh yeah. Okay, that is and the front windshield, but $1,200 for a windshield and a wiper kit. Okay, maybe this isn't as cheap as I thought.
Does it come through safe plate?
There you go. Okay.
Bro, we got a fellow RVer.
There you go, buddy.
Dude, we got one up big time on the Tango.
It's crazy how much bigger it actually is.
I know. Man, that'd be nice. We should really invest in something like that. Well, I'm gonna go into my Tango and crawl in a ball and cry myself to sleep. You need me. I mean, no, everything's cool, yeah. I'm just gonna go get ready for bed for a little. It's the next day. Getting coffee ready. Big part of our day. About to hit the road. What are we doing today? Summit again. So drive a little this morning, which is nice. It's always nice to warm up in the truck. When you gotta get straight in the razor and it's been pretty chilly here in Valley T, you're like, but now I get to enjoy my coffee for a little in the truck. It's beautiful morning. Then yeah, we're gonna go up and over the summit into 110-degree weather and show Mike that for his first time, and then yeah, whoops, San Felipe whoops.
What time is it?
6:30.
Nice.
Yeah, too early for Ben. Too early for Ben.
I don't agree or disagree with that.
You're not wearing pants? First couple of hours it'll be cold.
These kids, you think they would learn, Hector? Then look at this. Where am I supposed to sit? This kid.
Dude.
Got a brand.
Brand new? No.
Yeah. Oh, it's fresh. He didn't like it. He said I could have it. I forgot him. He must have just put it here.
That's sick.
He said that last night. I just looked up and there's a camera in my face.
Yeah.
It's like, it's cool, bro.
It's my job. I just always record you everywhere you go.
I'm gonna tell security, I'm gonna be like, yo, there's a guy following me. Feeling creeped out. Dude, I bet you if I told Victor, I was like, hey, Victor, take out Ben. He'd be like, yes, sir.
Yeah. I don't doubt that either. Dude, our lunches are on the freaking come up.
A little frozen.
The buns are?
These are. Another day. Going pretty good. It's cold this morning. Pretty dang toasty now. Just had a burger. Now a peanut butter and jelly. Not many complaints, to be honest. Besides too many whoops. Tired of some of these whoops, man. But it's a pretty simple day, just standard logging miles.
Nice.
You can run 3,000 like graded roads, but there's not many other people running 3,000 Baja miles in a week. I mean, thing's a couple days old. It's got 4,000 miles. I mean, it's got 1,000 miles on it. Yeah, I'm like the guy like when I walk onto the dealer, like all the racers are like, please no, please.
Right.
It's a very small dealer up there, and they're all laughing because there was a scooter for sale, like a 90s Yamaha Riva, like so newer version of my old Riva, sitting there. Like, dude, is this a? And I started talking to you're more excited about buying this scooter than you just bought a $50,000 razor. I'm like, oh, I mean, scooter life, man. You ready, Ben? This is like your next favorite section, right? Lots of whoops, and it's windy, but it's good. Just figuring out lines in the washes. You just gotta go up one, turn around, go up the next, turn around, go up the other. Then you gotta make a decision, and then you gotta make sure it links into the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and then you're just back to whoops.
A lot of whoops. I thought we left San Felipe behind us, but obviously we didn't get enough of it.
Try it.
I feel like you're being facetious.
Alright, we got Ray Griffith's truck here. He left it here at the hotel. He's out pre-running. We just got back and we're gonna prank him a little. So for first one, we got my Christopher 40 caution tape that we use to mark pits down here in Baja. So I tied it up underneath. I'm rolling it up and I'm gonna tuck it up underneath so you won't notice that, you know, you're not gonna notice it just walking around, but then as he starts to go down the highway, this puppy's gonna be smacking other cars. Pretty good amount too. Goes all the way out there. Hoping like this thing just doesn't unravel as we're sitting here this afternoon. I think that's the perfect little wedge right there. See? Never see that.